if Homeboy's coming through with these,
Right.
it's quiet. Yeah, no, it's
Right.
quiet for him. But like if he comes through in like these, Homeboy's gonna like get it.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be styling the Dr Martens Rick Owens collab. But before we get started, I want to get into the collab a little bit more and questions that I get the most. So the Dr Martens Rick Owens collab released earlier this year. Came 2 pairs of boots, a pair of sandals, and a pair of 1461s. I couldn't get any of them for retail, so I had to pay a resale for these. And I also got the suede version of them, which I'm going to be styling in the next video. So stay tuned for that. Now on to the questions that I get the most is, where did you get the extra laces that you can see here? And the answer is, they actually come with extra black laces, but I actually purchased these from Amazon. I'm going to leave a picture here and then I'm going to link it down in the description. Right next to that question is, how do you lace them? I just follow the pattern that it has and then I loop them through the shoe a bunch of times until I have a little bit of space just to tie them up. I like to tuck the little back tab so it doesn't stick up. I just like the way it looks better, it's cleaner. Another question I get a lot is it hard to break them in? And the answer is yes, it was very hard to break them in. I went to New York and got a bunch of blisters. I definitely recommend buying some ankle protectors, maybe some band-aids so you can just put them in the back of your foot. And the last question I'm going to address is, are they true to size? And they are actually true to size, so just go with your normal size that you would wear in any regular sneaker, boot, whatever. They will definitely fit you. Go true to size. Now for this video, I'm going to be showing you a total of 6 outfits. 3 with pants, 3 with shorts. I live in Florida, I guess pretty hot here, so I'm a big fan of wearing these with shorts. I love the way they look with shorts, so I definitely styling probably more with shorts than pants, but I got 3 and 3 for you today. Hopefully it gives you a little bit more inspiration on what to do with the boots and what to wear it with. I'm going to leave my Instagram over here so you guys can take a look at how I was styling before. But that's enough talking for today. Let's get into the video.
Alright, so for outfit number 1, we got this very casual outfit. Wrangler jeans with a released hem, Harley Davidson belt, plain shirt, and then this black jacket that I got at a thrift store that looks like it easily could have been your grandma's, and the black Prada glasses. Now these boots are so versatile that you could definitely get married in outfit number 2. We got this Harley Davidson black jeans, USR Force thrifted jacket, Calvin Klein shirt. We got the floral tie made by me and the Prada glasses as well. For outfit number 3, we got number 2's cousin, just a more chilled, more simple version of it. Same jeans, same glasses, just the trench coat that I cropped when I first got my sewing machine. It definitely got a lot of creases in it, but I still love it. If you made it to outfit number 4, you made it to the shorts part of this video, and there's gonna be a lot of leg exposure, so proceed with caution. And what can I say about this fit? You either hate it or love it, so let me know down in the comments if you hate it or you love it. Here's a hot take for outfit number 5, and it is that blazers look way better with shorts than they do with trousers. Let me know what you guys think. And this fit, I already shown it a bunch of times. It's on my Instagram when I went to New York, so go check that out. And last but not least, we got outfit number 6. And this bag, I made it myself. I've been having a lot of fun making these bags lately. Same with the top. I made it about 2 years ago in quarantine when I first got my sewing machine.
And that is it for today's fits. Please let me know which one's your favorite down below. Leave a like if you really enjoyed this video. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. And don't forget, next video we're going to be styling these, so stay tuned for that.